idea,
idée,
identify,
identifier,
ideal,
idéal,
eagles,
aigle,
idle,
paresseux inactif,
ignorant,
ignorant,
ignore,
ignorer,
illegal,
illégal,
illegally,
illégalement,
illness,
maladie,
illiterate,
analphabète,
illustrate,
illustrer,
illustration,
illustration,
image,
image,
imaginable,
imaginable,
imaginary,
imaginaire,
imagination,
imagination,
imaginative,
imaginatif,
imagine,
imaginer,
imitate,
imiter,
imitation,
imitation,
immature,
immature,
immediate,
immédiat,
immediately,
immédiatement,
immense,
immense,
immortal,
immortel,
impact,
impact,
impartial,
impartial,
impatience,
impatience,
impatient,
impatient,
imperfect,
imparfait,
impersonal,
impersonnel,
employer,
employeur,
employee,
employé,
employed,
employé,
import,
importer,
importance,
importance,
important,
important,
impossible,
impossible,
impress,
impressionner,
impression,
impression,
impressive,
impressionnant,
impressionable,
impressionnable,
improbable,
improbable,
improper,
inapproprié,
improvement,
amélioration,
inborn,
inné,
incapable,
incapable,
incident,
incident,
incidental,
accessoire,
incidentally,
accessoirement,
inclination,
inclination,
incline,
incliné,
include,
inclure,
including,
y compris,
income,
revenu,
incomparable,
incomparable,
incompatible,
incompatible,
incompetent,
incompétent,
incomplete,
incomplet,
incomprehensible,
incompréhensible,
inconceivable,
inconcevable,
incorrect,
incorrect,
increase,
augmenter,
incredible,
incroyable,
indecent,
indécent,
indeed,
en effet,
independence,
indépendance,
index,
index,
indicate,
indiquer,
indication,
indication,
indifferent,
indifférent,
indirect,
indirect,
individually,
individuellement,
indoor,
intérieur,
indoors,
à l'intérieur,
induced,
induit,
industrial,
industriel,
industry,
industrie,
ineffective,
inefficace,
inefficient,
inefficace,
inevitable,
inévitable,
inevitably,
inévitablement,
in fact,
en fait,
infectious,
contagieux,
inferior,
inférieur,
inflame,
en flamme,
inflammable,
inflammable,
inflammation,
inflammation,
inflict,
infliger,
influence,
influence,
influential,
influx,
inform,
informer,
information,
information,
engineers,
ingénieur,
ingenuity,
ingéniosité,
inhabit,
habiter,
inhabitant,
habitant,
inherit,
hériter,
initial,
initial,
initiative,
initiative,
inject,
injecter,
injection,
injection,
injury,
blessure,
injustice,
injustice,
injure,
blessé,
innate,
inné,
inner,
intérieur,
innocent,
innocent,
innumerable,
innombrable,
inquiry,
enquête demande,
inquisitive,
curieux,
insect,
insecte,
insensible,
insensible,
insensitive,
insensible,
insert,
insérer,
inside,
à l'intérieur,
insignificant,
insignifiant,
insincere,
insincère,
insist,
insister,
insolent,
insolent,
inspect,
inspecter,
inspection,
inspection,
inspector,
inspecteur,
inspiration,
inspiration,
inspire,
inspirer,
installment,
versement,
instance,
instance exemple,
instant,
instant,
instantly,
instantanément,
instead,
au lieu de,
institute,
institut instituer,
institution,
institution,
instruct,
instruire,
instruction,
instruction,
instrument,
instrument,
instrumental,
instrumental,
insult,
insulte, insulter,
insurance,
assurance,
insure,
assurer,
intake,
apport prise,
intellect,
intellect,
intellectual,
intellectuel,
intelligence,
intelligence,
intelligent,
intelligent,
intelligible,
intelligible,
intent,
intention,
intense,
intense,
intention,
intention,
intentional,
intentionnel,
intentionally,
intentionnellement,
interest,
intérêt,
interested,
intéressé,
interesting,
intéressant,
interfere,
interférer,
interference,
interférence,
interior,
intérieur,
intermediate,
intermédiaire,
internal,
interne,
international,
international,
interpret,
interpréter,
interpreter,
interprète,
interpretation,
interprétation,
interrupt,
interrompre,
interruption,
interruption,
interval,
intervalle,
intervene,
intervenir,
interview,
entretien,
intimate,
intime,
intimidate,
intimider,
into,
dans,
intolerant,
intolérant,
introduced,
introduit,
introduction,
introduction,
invade,
envahir,
invalid,
invalide,
invasion,
invasion,
invent,
inventer,
invention,
invention,
inventor,
inventeur,
invest,
investir,
investigate,
enquêter,
investigation,
enquête,
investment,
investissement,
invisible,
invisible,
invitation,
invitation,
invite,
inviter,
invoke,
invoquer,
involve,
impliquer,
involved,
impliquer,
inwardly,
intérieurement,
inwards,
vers l'intérieur,
irony,
ironie,
island,
il,
isolate,
isolé,
issue,
problème à question,
item,
article,
itself,
lui-même, elle-même,
ivory,
ivoire,